Welcome to behind the scenes of my latest video. These products that we used for the video, I'm gonna tell you how to get the look.
Oh, look at it go.
I think the inspiration behind the makeup was everything that had to do with the video. It's very romantic, it's ethereal, and we've only just started, so I know that it's going to get better. We're in the middle of the day, and it just has that natural feeling. So of course, I think it was best that we did my go-to natural look, but this is all the products that we used for that. So we used a lot of neutrals, glowy, warm things. The first thing we applied is my primer, and all you have to do is use a few pumps of that. Put it all over your face. I am 210 right now in my foundation and my concealer. So basically after the primer, we used both of these products. This one is Mesmerize, and these are my luminizers. Sorry. And we kind of use that around the top to give that glow. I don't know if you can see. And this is Happy. Normally I do Joy, but this kind of has more of a rosy look, and super stoked about that. And as far as the lip colors, we actually combined these two. So we have Thrilling and Heroic. So we mixed kind of the colors together and applied that to my lips. And then on top of that, we used Honor, which is the more clear moisturizing balm that I have. And then we put that over, so it kind of creates that shiny look. All of it stays really well. Last but not least, we do this before, but we use my brow pencil and the spoolie. So we just kind of go in. I like, obviously, fluffy is my vibe right now, so we kind of push that, make that a little up to do. I don't know the technical terms, but so I just wanted to show you what we did for the video, and I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you try it, I'd love to see how you do.